What's up? So Steven bought this kid on that dirt bike. It's cracking me up. You might hear that in the background. Bought this Steven bought this Honda Accord. It's 92 model CB7, and they don't have a key. The key's broke, so somehow we're gonna try to break into this thing and get it to going. We did buy it. We got the title, so there's no stealing here. We got it. All right, we got it. But somehow we got to break the ignition because the steering wheel's locked. Yeah, steering wheel's locked, and we can't start it. So we're gonna have to break that because we're gonna have to get a new ignition anyway. So
then we could hot wire it.
Yeah. So let's just see. I got a hammer, a screwdriver.
And
why I got a pipe wrench, I don't know.
Apparently we're doing a little plumbing on it too.
Yeah. Now she talking like she want me, yeah. Ayy. Wave. Look. Life been lit just how I want it.
Fuck, I look like stressing. I be finessing. Dolo in my section. Built like a blessing. Fuck, I look like stressing. I be finessing. Got my muscle flexing. My money stretching.
Yeah. Ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. It's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it.
Big bands like a main event. Already paid the rent. Feeling like winning my favorite shit. Boy, I was made for this. Flex mode on gym rat. I been that young legend, oh. Them boys can't fuck with it. I ain't shy, I'ma let them know. All of my bitches be multiples of 10. I'm fed to win. All of my niggas be comfortable with sins from his to gin. Niggas be hating because I been ballin' and they gotta ride the bench again. Ain't gotta wonder, I know when she callin' that she tryna ride that dick again. Keep it a C note. Niggas is D-League, they could be more. I brought the A game, gripping them B cups by the seashore. Filling up my rubber band, 100 band, I need that. Big dog, no small bark, I'm cool on your feedback.
Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. Look, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it.
Fuck, I look like stressing. I be finessing. Dolo in my section. Built like a blessing. Fuck, I look like stressing.
Wave, life been going how I want it.
Got my muscle flexing.
Okay. Mahogany tint on the skin. I feel like a 10 out of 10. If you hearing it, got in the plan. If not, then somebody been watching the kid. I made it out of a jam.
What the hell is that?
It's broken. I noticed that too.
Alright. Getting a good video of the motor. I mean.
What? Yeah.
Alright. Let's see if this bad boy start.
No, it won't.
Found my key.
Can't believe you didn't even check to see if you had anything in here.
Boy, you didn't care to.
Fellas, this car cost me $50.
Started right up. Yep, sounds like a Honda. Lucky parking kid. Yep. Hey, I'm in first. Oh, I'm sitting right up there.
Probably should move this ramp.
Can you grab it?
Oh, you're on it. You ain't going back in.
Grab it.
No shit. little bit further forward.
Check my ram. Make sure I'm on.
No. Good. Maybe back it around there and we'll check it. Put this on the tripod.
Happy they all horny. We never slack when we on the track. I keep me a pack like Bob Marley. Just give me the loot, cause we in pursuit. Dressed in a suit like Steve Harvey. It's really just me and my bros, ayy. People be hating, ain't throwing shade. Don't give them the time, say no names. Cause we bout our money, play no games. Stack up our bread like whole grains. Still indie like no name. Swag and splash, that's our.
Alright guys, what you think?
This is our new project car.
It's definitely gonna take some time, but this is gonna help us. You know, we're gonna practice our body work, you know, our sanding, I mean all that stuff, pretty much. Well, not body work, but you know, all that stuff that we need to practice, you know, on our cars, so we can get our practice here for sure. But man, some body work, nice set of wheels, good paint job, this thing's gonna look pretty good. Lower to the ground. Yeah, we got
fenders. Trunk liner. We'll do a custom trunk, something on the bottom of it. See, the trunk's been gutted. You look to the trunk. See, trunk's missing a little bit of everything.
Oh yeah.
Missing carpet. Got spare tire though.
I haven't got anything good in there.
See what this is. Drive works.
So you never know what you find.
Ball joint.
Hell.
Yeah, well, it's the last thing we gotta buy if it goes to this car.
It's pretty good.
What y'all think about the interior? Let's see here. It's red. We're gonna leave it red or what?
God, what a mess. People just leave shit. They don't even care. Some underwear. Get some underwear. Sell them. Sell them to you. He got some new parts for his WRX, so we're going to do an unboxing for you guys. Let's go see what he's got.
What's up, guys? Well, this is thanks to JDM Muscle. We're fast shipping. Alright, we got the first box here,
which looks like he's already opened.
I've so not already opened it. It's definitely not been opened
He's
yet.
already opened it.
Hey, I opened the box, but I didn't take it out of the paper yet. Alright, JDM Muscle. See what we got here. has prepared this time.
You gonna open that today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow. I gotta be careful.
Did you package it back up that rough, that much?
Woohoo.
Yeah, it's gonna look.
That's gonna look like fire.
Yeah, it's gonna look a lot better than what he's got.
A lot better. Alright. That's the first goodie.
Dude, that is gonna look a lot better.
A lot. Alright, box 2.
That looks like it's already open too.
Grim Speed. This is
I'm
hella
trying to look at it.
Ooh. This is hell of horns.
Hey, that wasn't in that box last time.
No. Yeah, highlighter yellow. Let's see what they look like here. That's gonna look good in that grill.
Is that just one horn?
No, there's 2.
Oh yeah. This camera gets on at night too.
Alright. There's the horns. Alright, and then for the big boy, this is where all the money from that order come from. See that? That means money. It's money. Money, money, money. This one wasn't taped. I actually didn't open this one. This is how it comes.
Money. You got it.
Ooh, another. I got 30 of those. We might start sending out to some subscribers.
Yeah, guys. Hey, if he's got a bunch of them, y'all want one, hit us up. We'll send you one.
You gotta come over here and get a shot of the box because I can't dig all this out.
Let's see what he's got here.
Hoses. Bracket.
What is all that for?
It's for my new bright ass AOS.
So you went highlighter yellow and shit, then you got a lime green can?
Or what? Lime green what?
Can.
This is highlighter yellow too. It matches the stickers and everything.
So
the horns are might end up painting. They're yellow.
is it supposed to be highlighter yellow?
I thought they was, but I guess they're just yellow. So I'll probably end up painting those. We may end up taking the grill off them and painting them before we on the car. This matches. Pretty close. See?
Pretty close.
Pretty close.
Where's that go?
It replaces my catch can. That bracket will come off of here and it'll sit right in there-ish. And replace that shitty ass catch can. Don't buy a catch can. Do it right the first time. You won't have to redo this.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about my wing. I couldn't find one.
I don't remember what's in this box. I think this is just bolts. I don't know why. I don't know why. Tell me why, Perrin. You put that in the box. That's all it's in there.
That's all that's in the box? Huh.
The instructions. I don't know why, Perrin.
Hey, they got money. They
Cutting trees, killing
spend
trees.
enough money buying the shit, so they're like, hey, let's throw this in there.
Yeah. So there's that. Stay tuned for the install videos. There'll be an install video up of the grill and the horns, and then it'll be was gonna do the horns today, but they don't match, so may paint them before we do the video on the horns. There ain't no point in taking the bumper off 4 times because that don't match at all. They're getting painted before we do the video. Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, y'all stay tuned.
All right, guys. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and comment below.
And
we
hit
want to
that
hear
bell.
your opinions. And hit that bell. Don't forget the bell.
Yeah,
so
hit
you'll
that
be
bell.
notified every time we post.
Yeah. We out.